Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Liquid Ocelot on my medium related YouTube channel. We are on 14 subscribers, so please subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Guys, I wrote an article on Medium on December the 21st 2022, and I predicted that Zulie Rane is poised to become YouTube's next million subscriber star. So my friends, why did I predict this way back 4 months ago, 5 months ago? Well, the thing is simple, my friends. It's Medium. Medium is a growing blogging platform, and it's growing in great numbers. And I think a time will come that Medium would have grown so fast by the year 2030 that the people who are talking about Medium, who are making videos about Medium, and there aren't that many, will all grow with the Medium platform, my friends. Right now, when I made this Medium story, right now Zulie Rane has 75,000 plus Medium followers, and she has got lots and lots of over 21,000 at that time. And let's see how many subscribers she has got right now. We don't have much time, my friends. 23.8 thousand subscribers, and I think she's making round about $1,000, over $1,000 per month on her YouTube channel. I have always said that she is having a huge audience, female audience, and YouTube advertisers love paying those creators with a female oriented audience. I have got only 8% of that. That's why I am a total failure, to be honest with you. However, Zulie Rane, if we look at the about section, 1.34 million views and only 246 videos. So my friends, Zulie Rane is growing powerfully. Let's see a bit more about Zulie Rane, because you guys might be saying, hey, Liquid, what's happening over here? Like Zulie Rane, why would she reach over 1 million subscribers by 2030? Well, there is a reason, my friends. I'm going to her YouTube channel stats now, and as we can see, she is growing with hundreds and subscribers are growing naturally. After 2 days she gets 100 subscribers, and these stats are all wrong. This is $50+ per day, I think easily she's making. I saw her Medium story on the startup where she reveals her stats, and 2,000 plus views with a watch time of 6-7 minutes retention time. I think she's growing exponentially, and this growth will be multiplied every day by 10 because Medium is growing exponentially, my friends. There is no stopping for Medium. And my friends, let's see, wait a minute. YouTube Analytics, check growth chart. I have to see it. Full monthly statistics, and weekly subscribers. Look at it. Per week she's getting 300 subscribers. Views she's getting like totals weekly, so quickly. Her growth is rapid, my friends. So thanks for watching this video. Please read the article that I wrote on Medium in the description of this video, and wait for the YouTube video to process in 4K so that you can enjoy this experience on your 4K television sets. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off. Take care.